Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In this video, I'm going to be looking at no-win, no-fee taxi accident compensation claims. I'm going to be going over whether or not you can claim for taxi car accidents, if you can claim, how to begin the process of claiming, and how much compensation you may expect to receive in total. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. And if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If you've been involved in a taxi accident and would like to know whether or not you can make a taxi passenger accident claim, the good news is, as long as the accident was down to the negligence of others, which will most likely be the case if you were a passenger in a taxi, you may be entitled to compensation. So, how do you begin the process of claiming for a taxi driver accident? Well, we highly recommend that you reach out to a road traffic accident claims specialist that has experience in dealing with no-win, no-fee taxi accident claims. The good news for you is that we're happy to offer you a completely free, no obligation consultation where we'll talk through the accident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676 or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll be happy to use our no-win, no-fee calculator in order to give you a good idea of how much you may be entitled to in total, as the figures that we'll shortly be going over will only be for your injuries, which means that your final claim amount may be significantly larger. Now, following this consultation where we'll talk through the taxi accident with you, if we believe that we're able to assist you, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that there won't be any upfront fees, and most importantly, if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Now, if you're wondering how much you may be entitled to for your injuries, I'm now going to take a look at our taxi accident in the UK no-win, no-fee personal injury claims amount table. As you can see, we've got a few different injury types here. The top one being shoulder injury, and that's of a minor severity. We're looking at anything from £1,950 right the way up to £6,290. Then on to moderate shoulder injuries, that's £6,290 right the way up to £10,180. Then on to severe shoulder injuries, we're looking at £15,300 right the way up to £38,280. Then minor neck injuries, this could be anything from £1,950 right the way up to £6,290. Then on to moderate, we're looking at anything from £10,960 right the way up to £30,690. For severe neck injuries, we're looking at anything from £44,630 all the way up to £118,240. Then on to minor back injuries, we're looking at £1,950 again, right the way up to £9,970. For moderate back injuries, we're looking at £9,970, right the way up to £30,910. Then finally onto severe back injuries, we're looking at anything from £30,910 all the way up to £128,320. To give you an idea of which one might apply to you, we've got some notes on the side, so have a little look over those and see which one applies to your injury type. I'd like to emphasise that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as an award for the injury itself, and does not include the amount of any loss of income from time off work or any expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the amount of your claim is likely to be larger. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk.
Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.